Welcome to Dive into Digital. Today, we'll walk you through how to enroll in online banking so you can securely access and manage your accounts online. To get started, on the login screen, select Don't have an account, Enroll. Next, choose whether you're enrolling a personal account or a business account. You'll then be asked to enter your full social security number or tax identification number, along with your member or account number. After that, you'll be asked to confirm your contact information. If any of your information is incorrect, please give us a call or stop by your nearest branch so we can update your records before you continue. Then, you'll create your username and password. You'll also have the option to create a membership nickname. This step is completely optional and can help you easily identify your membership, especially if you're a joint owner on other accounts. Once you've reviewed your information, read the terms and conditions, check the agreement box, and select Confirm and Enroll. You'll then receive a verification email that looks like this. Once you open the email, select the verification link, then choose Confirm Email to complete the verification process. After your email has been confirmed, you'll be prompted to sign in using your new username and password. For added security, we'll send a verification code to your phone or email. Once you receive the code, enter it to verify your identity. That's it. Your online banking account is now set up and ready to use, making future logins quick, easy, and secure. We hope this video has helped you understand how to enroll in Members Heritage online banking. If you have any questions or need assistance, we're here to help. Give us a call, stop by your nearest branch, or contact us through online banking. Thank you for choosing Members Heritage Credit Union, and we'll see you in the next Dive into Digital video.